Today is the next to last installment on reflection. We will look at how to call methods and pass parameters. This is going to look a lot like what we've already done in previous sessions, so let's get started. Well, one of the things that I've made a change to here is I've added a method in the class Go that takes a parameter message and returns void. We've already basically seen how to accept return values, so we're not going to deal with that there. And all this is going to do is show a message box with the parameter that we passed into it, just to show that it works. So let's go back over to our form, and we've got the property call all over there. And the call to the method is going to look very similar to the code that we have above there. Matter of fact, I'm going to leave it up there so that I can pretty much copy and paste from that. First thing we need to do is we need to grab a method info. Class type 1, get method, go. And since we don't have any types, well, we do have a type here. So we're going to do new type array. And the way I handle getting type information for strings is just a simple string with the get type method hanging off of it. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to call the invoke method. So method 1, invoke, and we're going to pass in the object that we created up here, and then we're going to pass in our parameter, so new object array. This is the message. And that's all there is to it. Let's go ahead and run this code. We'll set our breakpoint down here. Invoke the method. And let's move our screen around a little bit here. So get our method info. We've actually got something there. And call invoke. And there's our message. And we're all done. Now obviously this is a very difficult way of writing your code. If you had to write all of your code like this, you just imagine how long that would take. In the next installment we're going to show how to implement a shortcut. So if you've got code that looks very similar all the time that you're calling, maybe you've got a plugin that you're writing, there's a much easier way of going about this, and we'll take a look at that on the next video.